Yeah, but it's okay. I'm going to open this next pack. Go ahead and do that. I saw somebody do that. That seems like a good idea. Magic card. Ooh, skull fossil. Murkrow. Shinx. Vulpix. Urusashang. Happiny. Corla. And, ooh, look at that Garchomp. It's a bad boy. Bad boy. And I don't even know what that is, so I'm not gonna try. And
Masquerain.
Straight.
Something.
We got Dragon Frontiers, the EX series. Let's get this bad boy. Ooh, look. Look. Good pull, good pull. Smoochum. Spheal. Pupitar. Nidoran.
Oh, dude, let me get that.
Colorless Mareep. A Fire Swallow. Oh, nice. And Smoochum. This is a Delta series. I like the Delta series. That's cool. Ooh, Melodic. And Tailo. That's a nice card. I can dig.
I'm up. You have to read them.
This is the cameraman in last video.
So we've got to... No, flip them. There we go. Count to the third and fourth card and lay them down. Come on. 3, 4. Alright. We got an old Natu.
Represent.
Voltoroid, Corsola, Spinda, Burmy, Venomoth, nice play. Unknown, sucks, really bad. Cloyster.
The moment of truth.
Oh, that's a terrible card to have.
Alright.
Oh, what a Raikou.
Zent.
That's an old school card. Nice. So,
well, that concludes all
Survey
of
the Field, the battlefields here.
Battlefield. And then, oh yeah, all those cards down there. You know how I do. Those are all old boys. But tune in for the
36 pack boy.
for the 36 pack boy. Yeah.